Hello children, welcome to English literature class. Last class I had taught you that how there was a loving conversation between Bassanio and Portia. Portia was trying to stop Bassanio from choosing in a haste, while Bassanio was much excited to choose and win Portia. So finally, Portia tested his love and asked him that how much he loves her truly to confess, and he had confessed that the gist of his confession is that his love is true for her. From next we'll start here Portia's speech. So seeing Bassanio so much excited to choose the casket, so finally she allows him that to go and choose one of the caskets in which Portia's portrait is lying. So here it is. Portia. Away then, I am locked in one of them. I am means Portia's portrait is locked in one of them. Them means in the casket, one of the caskets. If you do love me, you will find me out. If your love is true for me, then you will find my portrait or choose the right casket. Then she instructs Nerissa and other attendants to stand all aloof. Stand all aloof means to stand out of his way. So here she means to say that there should not be any suspicion that they had helped him. So she asked them all to stand away. Let music sound while he doth make his choice. So she now tells that let there be music when Bassanio makes his choice of caskets. Then if he lose, he makes a swan-like end. See here, like is there, swan-like end, it is a simile. So it says that when Bassanio will go to choose the casket, meanwhile let there be music. If he loses or chooses the wrong casket, then he will have a swan-like end. What is the reference here? Swan-like end, the Elizabethans believe that swans, once in its lifetime, they sing just before their death and they drown in the water. So similarly, she says that if Bassanio fails in his choice, music will accompany his end like the swan that sings sweetly when it is about to die. So fading in music. That means if Bassanio chooses the wrong casket, that will be his end. His end will be just like the swan. That the comparison may stand more proper. The comparison will be more proper. It is incomplete comparison. How swan sings once in its lifetime. That is compared to the music. Then second, it drowns in the water. That comparison is not explained here. So now she explained. The comparison will be more appropriate when my eye shall be the stream and watery deathbed for him. So to make the comparison more suitable, then she says that my eyes will filled with tears, which is compared to the stream or watery deathbed for Bassanio. Just like as the river is the grave for the swan, so after singing it dies, similarly the tears in Portia's eyes will be the watery deathbed for Bassanio. So there is a possibility that he may win also. If he loses, then the music will accompany him, Bassanio, like the swan-like end. But if he chooses, what kind of music will be played? She asks. If he may win. And what is music then? What type of music will be played? Here it is. Then music is even as the flourish when true subjects bow to a new crowned monarch. Flourish means sounds of trumpets, musical instruments. So it says if he wins, then the trumpet sounds will be played. Again comparison. So as the flourish, so simile that as a newly prince going to be crowned as a king, coronation time, the trumpets blow and all the subjects stand before him and bow with a bowing posture. Similarly, when Bassanio will win the casket, then there will be a trumpet sounds. He will be given a treatment like a monarch. trumpet sounds will welcome him. Not only that, there are two types of music will be played. First, the trumpets will blow as the trumpets blow during the coronation of a prince. Second, such it is as are those dulcet sounds, dulcet sweet sounds in a break of day that creep into the dreaming bridegroom's ear. Who is bridegroom now if Bassanio? And summon him to marriage, someone call. So here he says second music is that it's an English custom that on the day of marriage, the musicians play the music, very sweet music at the daybreak. Remember the time also given. Daybreak, they play the music under the bridegroom's room to call him for marriage, to summon him to marriage. So similarly, for Bassanio also, the sweet music will be played. So melodious music will be played at the daybreak, which music will creep into his ears to call him or summon him for marriage. This is the comparison she makes it if he wins. So I hope it is clear now. Next we'll proceed. Now he goes. Who goes? Bassanio goes. Now he goes with no less presence. So presence, handsome, good looking. So here again comparison, metaphor is there. Be alert here, listen, pay attention. With no less presence, but with much more love than young Alcides. Who is Alcides? Alcides is the Greek god of strength. What is the other name? This can be the questions. What is the other name? The other name is Hercules. So here Bassanio, Portia is comparing Bassanio to Alcides or Hercules. That as Hercules is very strong and handsome, Bassanio also, like a brave man with handsome appearance, proceeds towards the cascades to choose, but with much more love than young Alcides. Here, the comparison is given here as well as contrast. What are the similarities? Here, let's know the Greek reference about Alcides, what she has said. First, when he did redeem the virgin tribute paid by howling Troy to the sea monster. It's a Greek reference here. The Trojan king's daughter, princess Hesione, was sacrificed to the sea monster. Okay, so she was being given sacrifice to the sea monster. So the Trojan king had announced the rewards that whoever saves Hesione will get the finest breed of horses. So Alcides now went and fought with the sea monster and saved Hesione and won the reward of a fine breed of horses. So what is the similarity here also? Alcides is compared to Bassanio and Hesione is compared to Portia and the sea monster is compared to the lottery of cascades. And Nerissa and all the attendants who are standing with tearful eyes were compared to the Dardanian wives or Trojan women. Who is Dardanian? Dardanian is the Trojan women, it is said. They are the descendants of Dardanus. 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 So he is the founder of Troy. So naturally they are also called as Dardanian wives or Trojan women. So this is the comparison similarity. But what is the only one difference? The difference is Alcides has saved Hesione not out of love, rather saved her to get that reward of fine breed of horses. Whereas Bassanio is going to fight or choose the lottery of cascades, which is compared to the sea monster, that is the hazard risk. So just out of love for Portia. This is the difference. Otherwise the similarity is key. So she says here he goes with no less presence. He is as handsome as Alcides and goes to choose the cascade out of much more love than young Alcides. Alcides didn't have any love for Hesione. He saved her just to get the reward. When he did redeem the virgin tribute is Hesione, who was paid by howling Troy to the sea monster. The virgin who was offered as a sacrifice to the sea monster by the weeping people, howling Troy by the weeping people of Trojan people. I stand for sacrifice. Portia says here, I am now standing here for sacrifice like Hesione. The rest aloof are the Dardanian wives. Nerissa and others are compared to the Dardanian wives, as just now I told you how they are standing there with bleared visages, with tearful eyes. Why they have come? They have come forth to view the issue of the exploit. Issue, the result of the sacrifice. Exploit means sacrifice. They are all standing there with tearful eyes to see the result of the sacrifice. So they are all, Nerissa and the rest attendants are called Dardanian, compared to Dardanian wives. Go Hercules, live thou. So Hercules here referred to Bassanio. She says, live thou, I live. With much, much more dismay, I view the fight than thou that makest the fray. So he says, if you live thou means if you live by choosing the correct casket, then I will also live. So I will watch the contest, the choice of lottery of casket with much more anxiety than you who is going to participate in this choosing the casket. Okay, make us the frame. So music is played while Bassanio comments on the caskets to himself. So we'll continue in the next class from this song.